So we've got a probability question here, and do read them carefully. It says you're going to get a score by multiplying the score on your spinner with the score on the dice. So check, for example, let's underline the word multiplying actually, just because I want to make sure I get that right. So not adding the scores, we're multiplying them. So once 1 is 1, once 3 is 3, yeah, that's checking. So once 2 is 2, and 3 2 is 6, and 3 3 is 9. Once 5 is 5, once 6 is 6, 2 6 is 12, and 5 3s are 15. So we filled that in for 2 marks. It now says Steve plays the game once. How many times can you get a score greater than 10? So I need to know how many possible scores are there. It looks like there's 18. 6 times by 3 is 18. So it's out of 18, isn't it? Now, how many of these numbers are bigger than 10? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put 5. Oh, wait a sec. 10 is not bigger than 10. So I've got that wrong, haven't I? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 18, I think. Greater. So I'm glad I checked that. Okay, so I think it's just 12, 18, 15, and 12 are the only scores that are bigger than 10. So it's 4 chances out of 18 to get a score greater. So 4 out of 18, was that the same as 2 out of 9, isn't it? Yeah, we simplify that fraction down, 2/9 I think is the answer. Alright, now there's a part C on the next page, so I'm just going to slide this up and have a look at part C. And it says, Pedro says there will be, I can't please, chop, there we go. Sorry, Adam. Adam plays the game and Carmen plays this game. Okay, those are the spinners. Adam gets a prize if he scores 5 or less. Carmen gets a prize if she scores a multiple of 6. She says the game is unfair because Adam would like to get a prize. So let's work out the chance of Adam gets 5 or less. So we know there's 18 possible scores. Let's see how many of them are 5 or less. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. There's 8 ways of getting 5 or less. That's 8 out of 18, isn't it? Which is the same, I suppose, as 4 out of 9, but I'll leave it as out of 18. Now, Carmen's get a prize at multiple 6. So that's 6, 12, or 18. The multiples of 6 times table. 6, 12, or 18, I think. So, can you get any of those? So, 6, and there's another 6, 12, yeah. And another 6 downstairs, and there's another 12, and there's another 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she's got 6 ways of getting a multiple 6. So I think Carmen's got a point actually. I think it's less likely that she's going to win this game than Adam does. She's only got 1 out of 6 out of 18, which is 1 out of 3, whereas he's got 4 out of 9 chance. So yeah, Carmen's right. Okay, so I'm going to have now a look at the mark scheme, and it says it was well answered. That's nice. Okay, let's see if we've actually got the answers right ourselves. Looks okay to me. Yep, happy with that.